any table boy.
But wait, let me what do you mean? Wait, let me ask one question.
Hi guys, it's Bosa. So for today's video, we'll be checking out the Latitude Hotel. Now this hotel is in Seapoint in Cape Town, and it is a hotel but also gives you like the apartment benefits. So if that's something you're into, keep watching. It had a great location if you asked me, and also check-in was a breeze. The staff were very friendly and helpful. Love and blessings.
Welcome. I'm so excited. Okay, we have an island and 2 chairs. I think this is not exactly marble, but I mean it will work. And then we have a microwave, an espresso machine. We have tea. We have salt and pepper by Ori. There's a book. I think it's a cookbook. It has recipes just in case you want to cook. There are all these glasses and these glasses and wine glasses. We have a jar and something else and something that keeps wine. This thingy that you guys put your champagne and your ice in. An ice bucket. Yeah, an ice bucket. Thank you. You're welcome. We have a coffee press. Guys, it's the options for me. What's surprising for me, at least, is this has been the most affordable place of all the places we have been to. Oh, I don't know what this is, but oh, it's supposed to take the air away because we have some cooking tops and I think an oven. I don't know what the brand is, but yeah, we have an oven and we have a toaster. I actually have bread from Lily's, but it's already toasted. We have a toaster, we have a kettle, we have a dish rack, I guess, and then we have cups, like, oh, we have some plates and bowls and lots of things. And then there is a sink, great water pressure. There's also a fridge with a water dispenser. I hope they have water. And lots of milk in the fridge. And a freezer. So on this side we have more drawers with like your cutlery and a bottle opener. And then we have more cutlery, knives, some things, spoons and thingies. We have an espresso bowl, some table mats and some kitchen clothes. Guys, we have a dishwasher. No, this is a washing machine, a regular washing machine. But then we have more cabinets. I think for me, it's all the options that come with this hotel. There are kitchen thingies and I think it's a tray and 2 chopping boards and a plastic measuring cup. It's so okay. Oh yeah, this is the first hotel we've been. Well, it's an apart hotel, so I get that it's like apartment like, so more Airbnb, but not Airbnb. They're the only people that have given us like kitchen liquid soap, because all the other places had kitchenettes, but there was no liquid soap or soap at all. That's not like a shower gel. I believe this is a dishwasher. Guys, I've never used a dishwasher. And I don't have no dirty dishes because I'm not here to do dishes. But it's giving whatever it's supposed to give. And it's so cool. It's perfect for filming reels. I also don't want to break a dishwasher because I don't know how much a dishwasher costs. Oh, but the kitchen has tiles. And then this side, like wooden floors. Wooden floors just give me luxury and stuff. And then we have a painting on the wall. And a whole dining table-ish situation. We have a workstation, a chair, and a mirror. The photos in this mirror are going to give. Really going to give. I feel like they also have lighting that is very similar to Gorgeous George. Like the way they design their lights is very similar. We have a sofa. Actually, we have 2 sofas and a table and a big flat screen and a table, another table. What is this table supposed to be called, by the way?
Coffee table.
Yeah, that one. And we have a Juliet balcony with an incredible mountain view. Oh my gosh. The pictures we're going to take here. And then we have a mountain view, amazing mountain view, and some chairs on the balcony. Everything is giving what it needs to give. What did she say, Signal Hill?
Straight up there.
Yeah. I don't know, but I feel like I've already mentioned that it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so let's see the bedrooms. We have a bedroom, a TV, a mirror, and this light thingy, like the inbuilt wall light. And we have a bedside lamp. I like the fact that there are 3 towels. I'm not sure why there are 3 towels, but I love 3 towels on this bed. This is a very small towel though, so. Then, this is the bathroom, the first bathroom. So we have a mirror, have a bathtub. Then we have this thing. We have 2 glasses and a soap dish and stuff. Then we have some soap, Healing Earth, lemon and honey, and we also have water, a running sink. I like the contrast of the black against the white. I feel like it works really well together. It also looks more modern. Then we have a shower with a rainfall shower head, and then a toilet. But I feel like I need to comb in.
Yeah, please do.
Call you and just walk you around. And
Hi.
how are you?
Hi.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you. No.
Yes. Dining table, boy.
But wait, but what do you mean? Wait. Let me ask one question. You say the place you were at yesterday night was more expensive than that place.
Yeah, this has actually been our cheapest accommodation, so we're also trying to understand how. We meet at Kevin's.
Yeah.
Guys, your girl got excited and got on a phone call. I need to video chat my mom as well. I think she would love this. And my uncle. I can't video chat my dad because he picks his phone after 75 hours. Anyway, so this is the second room. I think there are 2 single beds to make a double bed and 3 towels as well. A wardrobe and lots of hangers. So we have come to the end of our room tour. No, we have not. Oh, I like the lighting. Like, I like the way the lights are designed. We have the guest bathroom. It's just a shower. I was going to say it's just a bath, but it's just a shower and a toilet. So let's go. You have a sink, a mirror, and of course we're still on brand with the black countertops and the white sinks. And then we have the shower. We have come to the end of our tour, and I feel like we got the most value for money here in terms of space and location, because the views are to die for. The space is a lot, and it's been our cheapest accommodation. Don't remember the exact price, but I'll leave it in the description box just in case you want to get the apartments. Also, by the way, book through bookings.com. I'll leave a link in the description box as well. So bye bye.